In this video, I will be disassembling this 2018 Range Rover Sport LED headlight. Here is the part number on the light. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. The black bezel is held in place with a series of T20 screws. In this case, most of these are broken, so I can simply pull this away. There are two T20 screws holding on this inner LED light bar. There's one wire harness connector. Next, I'll disconnect the wire harness connector from these two LED units. Next, I'm going to remove the T20 screws holding on this outer LED bar. There are two wire harness connectors holding this in place. Next, I'm going to use a 6mm hex head socket to turn this headlight adjuster on the rear of the light. This isn't easy to show on camera, but there are three T20 Torx screws holding on the projector mount in the rear of the light. You will need a long extension to reach these screws. Next, we need to remove this adjusting cable. Simply grab it and pull it off. Now we can grab the projector assembly and pull it free from the light. I will disconnect the last remaining wire harnesses holding the projector in place. The projector is now free from the light. Next, I'll unlock the wire harness connector and push it into the light. The wire harness is now free from the light. The housing is now empty. I will start disassembling the projector by going to the bottom and removing the T25 Torx screws holding on the bottom section of the bracket. Next, I need to release this clip holding on the adjuster bolt. Next, I'll remove the T15 Torx screws holding on the drive units to the upper section of the bracket. With the T15 Torx screws removed, the outer projector is held in through these two clips that need to be popped up and over. There's a spring on the rear of the projector helping hold this in place. So you need to push down to compress the spring while lifting these up and over to slide them out of place. The black shroud and lens is held on with T10 Torx screws. There are T10 Torx screws holding on the reflector over the LED drive units. The black shroud and lens is held in place with plastic clips on the outer projector. There are two T10 Torx screws holding the lens to the LED. The LEDs on the corner are all plastic welded into place. You will have to break these plastic welds to remove the LED control board. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here's the fan. Here are the LED running lights and turn signals. Here is the inner high beam projector. Here is the outer low beam projector. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.